there, my name is Jessica Peterson. I am a family law attorney. I am a certified family law specialist, and I am the managing partner here at JWB Family Law in San Diego. Today I want to talk to you about what a bifurcation is. You hear this sometimes in your own case, or you'll hear it when you're sitting in the courtroom listening to other cases. And when we bifurcate an issue in family law, it means that we take one issue out of the mix and we either set it for a hearing date or a trial down the road, or we can do a bifurcation of status. What this means is that you have one party to the dissolution who wants to be divorced. They want to be restored to single. And so what we can do is we can bifurcate status. That means we take the actual entry of judgment of dissolution away from all of the other issues. So you can have a bifurcation hearing where the parties are restored to single, but the court retains the ability to and has to retain the ability to divide the community property, to set custody and visitation orders, and deal with all of the other issues in the case. So bifurcation really is a way for us to resolve issues right now, and if there are very specific or narrow issues that need to be resolved down the road, it gives us the option to do that so that not every issue in your case remains pending while you're waiting for a trial date that might be several months to a year away. If you have any questions about bifurcation, if there is a hearing for bifurcation in your case, or if you would like to, maybe your case has been going on for a long time and you would like to be divorced, even if you don't have all of the other issues resolved, please contact our offices, set up a consultation. We are ready and happy to help you.